We will dive deep into the exciting world of side businesses and entrepreneurship. If you're passionate about these topics, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest updates. In today's video, get ready to be amazed as we delve into the cutting-edge world of business planning in 2023, powered by artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. It's a game changer you won't want to miss. If you're new here and looking to build a strong foundation in business planning or just want to grasp the essential concepts, I highly recommend visiting our channel. But today, we're taking things to the next level. We're using the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT to increase your business planning journey. It's like having a virtual business advisor at your fingertips. So, stay tuned because we're about to explore on an educational adventure that will equip you with the tools to craft a business plan like never before. Buckle up, and let's unlock the potential of AI in the world of entrepreneurship together. To assist you with this, I've prepared a document listing the necessary prompts for each section of your business plan. For instance, when working on your executive summary, you'll insert a specific ChatGPT prompt on the website. It will then quickly generate content tailored to your business and industry based on the details you provide. Without further ado, let's head over to ChatGPT and dive into the process. To get started, visit google.com and type in OpenAI, the platform that hosts ChatGPT. Click on the link, which should already be highlighted in purple if you've visited before. Once you're on the OpenAI page, select Try ChatGPT. This is the free version. But if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Now let me show you the prompts I've prepared to guide us through creating the business plan. All right, let me explain how the artificial intelligence business plan is set up when you open it. It's got several sections, an introduction, various prompts to help you with different aspects of writing the plan. If you just want a general prompt for creating a business plan, you'll use this one. Now, in the plan itself, you'll find an executive summary, a description of your business, an analysis of the market you're entering, a look at your competition, your sales and marketing strategy, information about who owns and manages the business, details on how it operates, and the financial aspects. ChatGPT can assist you in crafting all of these sections, but the key to a successful business plan with ChatGPT is providing as much information as possible about your specific business. So, if you want ChatGPT to generate a complete business plan, you can start with the first prompt, which asks for a detailed business plan for your business type. For example, if you have a hair extension boutique, you'd specify that, and ChatGPT will help you create the entire plan with that context in mind. It includes an executive summary, business description, market analysis, competitive analysis, sales and marketing plan, ownership and management details, operating procedures, and financial projections. I appreciate ChatGPT for helping me create my sales and marketing plan, as long as I provide basic information about my business, such as the target audience. Similarly, for the competitive analysis and financial plan, I need to share more details. To break it down further, I've prepared prompts for each section of my business plan. Now, let's focus on writing a detailed executive summary for my hair extension boutique, which is seeking funding. For this specific business type, I only need to insert my boutique's name and key metrics, and ChatGPT will generate the executive summary. Keep in mind that even though it provides a lot of information, I should only include what's necessary in the summary, such as an introduction, product details, competitive advantages, and funding requirements. Please note that this version uses common words and simplifies the original text while retaining its essential meaning. This is an example of a completed business plan that I use ChatGPT for. As you can see, I use ChatGPT to help me with various sections of the plan. To make things easier for you, you can download a fillable template. For instance, let's say you want to create a detailed mission statement for your nail extension business. You can break it down into 3 sections: the mission statement itself, the values your business upholds, and the products or services you offer. Here's an example. Please note that while ChatGPT can help you generate content, it's essential to personalize it to your business to avoid sounding too generic. You don't want your business plan to appear identical to someone else's. Make sure to edit and customize the content to reflect your unique business identity. Now, let's move on to discussing the financial plan. The financial plan involves predicting your sales, determining the break-even point, and outlining your funding strategy. Many individuals aim to create a business plan for various purposes, such as applying for grants or obtaining business loans. So, let's delve into the financial plan while I continue with this video. In the financial plan, the first step is to create a detailed sales forecast for your business. Let's focus on this aspect right now. We'll generate a 3-year sales forecast for a nail extension studio. To do this, we'll assume an annual growth rate of 25% and an average order value of $50 for nail extensions. The plan is to increase sales by 25% each year. Let me break it down for you. In the first year, we'll start at $125. Over 3 years, our total sales should reach $476. To provide more details, in the first year, we aim to achieve $125,000, followed by $156,000 in the second year and $195,000 in the third year. Next, we'll move on to calculating our break-even point. We'll use a different prompt from the list and input our own numbers. We want to perform a break-even analysis for the nail studio, assuming an average order value of $50 and a total cost per unit of $25. The combined yearly fixed and variable costs will be $20,000. With this formula, it indicates that we need to sell 800 units to break even for the year. The reason behind this is that our yearly fixed and variable costs amount to $20,000. The average order cost is $50, but the cost per unit is $25. This means we need to generate double the cost difference, which is $40,000 in revenue, to reach the break-even point. You can use this formula by plugging in your own business numbers, and ChatGPT will do the calculations for you. Now let's move on to the next prompt, which is to request funding. We'll write a detailed funding request section for our business plan. Our nail studio is requesting $20,000 for new inventory, boutique renovation, and marketing efforts. All right, so our destination here is a nail extension boutique. We specialize in offering high-quality nail extensions and nail arts to women of all ages and backgrounds. Since the beginning, we've built a solid reputation for providing a wide range of nail extension products at competitive prices. To keep growing, we're looking for $20,000 in funding. So ChatGPT split it into 3 parts, which is for the new inventory, boutique renovation, and marketing efforts. To structure your business plan, follow the template provided. Align each section with the corresponding prompts and responses from ChatGPT, then customize it to fit your specific business. Let's start by identifying the target audience for your market analysis. This step is important because understanding your audience is essential. We'll focus on creating a target audience for a nail extension boutique. First, we'll determine who we want to reach. Our ideal customers are Black women aged 20 to 35 who have completed college education. They have a trendy fashion sense and enjoy listening to Beyoncé. On average, they earn around $50,000 per year and are more inclined to drive a Mercedes-Benz. These individuals also appreciate reading and spending time with friends. They are active on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. They are fashion-forward and value quality over quantity, willing to invest in premium, long-lasting, and easy-to-maintain nail extension products to enhance their appearance. Furthermore, they are active in their communities and seek new experiences. This demographic is an excellent fit for our nail extension studio. By targeting this specific group, we aim to increase sales revenue and establish our brand's reputation in the nail extension industry. We will prioritize building strong customer relationships, providing accessible customer service, and offering high-quality products. Please note that this content is a starting point and should be refined to align with your brand's voice and professionalism. Utilizing these prompts can be a valuable resource in developing your business plan. Thanks for joining us today on this exciting business planning journey powered by AI and ChatGPT. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, building your dream business is within reach, and with the right tools and guidance, you can make it happen. So hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.